hello and good morning, or is it good afternoon? It really depends what time you're watching this assembly today for a Friday. Now, normally on a Friday assemblies, we give out awards, but we've only been back to school 2 days, so we thought we would start our awards next week. But I know that if it was me, I would be giving all of you a Year of Being Brave award because you have been absolutely fabulous. I am so proud of how you've been learning all of the new rules and you've really been taking part in knowing what we need to do to keep safe. We need to remember we need to keep doing this as we continue on to keep each other safe. Now, I thought that instead of giving awards today, that today I would read you a story. And it's a very special story. And it's called Brave.
Brave. A brave kid seeks adventure. A brave kid has super strength. And a courageous heart. A brave kid leads the team. And never gives up. A brave kid answers the call. And fights the toughest battles. A brave kid speaks the truth. And stands for justice. A brave kid gets back up. And stays calm when others are afraid. A brave kid can save the world. Just by being brave.
A lovely book, isn't it? All of you can be brave, and because it's the year of being brave, we are going to have lots of opportunities to get to be amazing, brave people. Now, the first of our challenges was set for you, and it was some sign language. Do you remember what the signs are? First one is hello. Show me hello. Hello. The next one is goodbye. Can you show me goodbye? Come on now. Goodbye. Now, the one I've been using a lot of has been good morning. Can you show me good morning? Good morning. The morning bit is like you're opening the curtains up on a morning. Good morning. And the next one is good afternoon. Do you remember good afternoon? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Well done. I'm really pleased to see all of you really starting to practice your British Sign Language. One of those things for us to be brave together. Now, it's Friday already. The week is going by in a flash. I want you to see some of the things that I saw just in a few days. Everybody looks so happy, and I'm so pleased to see that. It's time for us to finish up our day, continuing to work hard, and I want you to have a nice weekend, raring to go for a full week next week. Have a good day.